Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I eat Korean barbecue beef brisket Tbsp at home with green onion salad and my special tangy sauce. This is the ultimate combo I created and you will taste the next level of Korean barbecue. Okay, let's start with the tangy sauce. A quarter cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons Japanese mirin, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of Korean cooking vinegar. This vinegar is super useful and delicious, but if you don't have it, use the substitute. Let's add some sugar and some black pepper. Then stir the sauce till all the sugar gets dissolved. If you can make the sauce a day ahead or several hours before you cook the brisket, it gets even better. Okay, let's move on to green onion salad. Cut the roots off, but keep the white parts as much as possible. The white parts has the most flavor. I'm going to use this tool to shred green onions. This tool has multiple blades, so it's easy to shred green onions. Press the top part so your green onion doesn't move, and then just keep shredding. Or you can buy a pack of pre-shredded green onion from a Korean grocery store. Sometimes it's next to the meat, or it's in the vegetable section. Okay, I'm going to turn my green onion and shred the other part. If you don't have the tool and can't find the pre-shredded one from a Korean grocery store in your area, then use an edge of knife and slice your green onion like this. Okay, all done with the shredding, let's put them in a bowl and marinate it. We need Korean red pepper powder, gochugaru, and a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Use good quality ones. Those ones, when you open the bottle, you can smell the fresh nuttiness. A little bit of black pepper. And that's it. It's super simple, but I promise you this salad is super delicious. Okay, now let's get started with our protein beef brisket, Tbsp. Heat up the pan at medium to high heat. You should hear the sizzling sound when you place your meat. Unroll each slice. When there is almost no pink color on the top side, quickly flip each piece, then take them out of the pan immediately. Those are thinly sliced, so it gets cooked quickly, so you gotta move fast. You don't want to overcook the beef. Take the last piece out and repeat the process. Put the meat on sizzling hot pan. You will hear the sizzling sound immediately. In this way, the downside has nice char and little crispiness, but the top side still has the soft and moist inside. Also, when you buy beef brisket, make sure each piece has good sized fat. Now, take a look at the fat part. You see how it's getting shrunk while it's getting cooked? The fat is where you get this nice, rich nuttiness flavor and texture. Without the fat, the meat is tough and dry. This piece is ready. I'm gonna flip it. This one too, flip it, and take it out immediately. You don't want to cook the other side more than a few seconds. Flip, 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 and take them out. You see that each piece has nice fat right in the middle? That's the best cut. It has the best texture and best flavor. Okay, now when you look at the pan, there are a lot of beef grease. So turn off your stove and clean it up. Otherwise, it will keep splashing on you. Okay, the most of grease is gone, pan is clean. Turn your stove back up to high heat and repeat the process. Okay, now I will show you how to eat this together. Pick a piece of meat, dip the whole thing in the sauce. Put it on a plate. Put some green onion salad on top of the meat. And fold it, and kind of roll it too. And look at this, the rich nuttiness from the meat and the tangy sauce, they create this nice flavor together, and the green onion salad, it just completes the perfect balance. Oh my god, it's so good, it's just so delicious. I think I can be Bobby Flay with this. I have to have more, dip the meat in the sauce, and yes, that green onion salad on top. Please try this. You will taste the next level of Korean barbecue at your home. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.